Do you ever find yourself hearing the words in your head as you read, almost like someone is whispering them to you? Many people do this without even realizing it, and it is a completely natural habit. This internal voice is called subvocalization, and you can tell if you are doing it by noticing if you mentally pronounce words, even without moving your lips. It is like an invisible speaker inside your mind. Subvocalization is a natural habit we develop as children learning to read aloud. It helps us process meaning by associating sound with text. However, as adults, relying too heavily on this internal voice can limit your reading speed because you can only read as fast as you can mentally speak the words. It is essentially an auditory bottleneck for your visual processing of information. One simple way to check is to pay close attention during your next reading session. Are you consciously hearing each word as you read it, or does it feel like silent speech? That is a clear sign. You can also place a finger gently on your lips or throat while reading. If you feel any subtle movements, even tiny ones, you are likely subvocalizing. Another effective method is to try reading while humming a simple tune or counting repeatedly from 1 to 10. If you find it difficult to do either of these activities while still understanding the text, your internal voice is likely engaged. It is important to know that a small degree of inner speech is actually natural and even beneficial for deep comprehension, especially with complex or new material. The goal is not always to eliminate it entirely, but rather to recognize when it is hindering your speed and to learn techniques to reduce its dominance when faster reading is desired. Becoming aware of your subvocalization patterns is the crucial first step toward taking control. Ultimately, recognizing whether you subvocalize gives you the power to optimize your reading. By understanding this habit, you unlock the potential to read more efficiently, process information faster, and enhance your overall learning experience without sacrificing comprehension. It is about becoming a more flexible and strategic reader.